Welcome to the December edition of What's New in OCI, where we aim to provide you with highlights of the latest news and announcements around Oracle Cloud Infrastructure in 5 minutes or less. 2022 has certainly flown by. OCI has introduced many innovations in cloud this year, and we're not slowing down, so let's get started. First, Gartner recently released two key reports covering the major cloud infrastructure providers. The 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Cloud Infrastructure and Platform Services, and the 2022 Critical Capabilities for Cloud Infrastructure and Platform Services. OCI scored well in all critical capabilities criteria and use cases and was recognized as a visionary. For more details and perspectives, check out Clay McGurk's blog linked in the description below. Next, for professionals with roles in cloud monitoring and management such as site reliability engineering, DevOps, SecOps, or cloud operations to name a few, we're excited to announce OCI's new Observability and Management Professional Certification. OCI is the first cloud provider to offer certification in this space, so if you want to showcase your knowledge and skills in this area, see the links below to get started. And now, let me pass the baton to Julian for more of what's new.
Thanks, Chig. I have two partner-related announcements for you this month. First, the extension of our partnerships with Qualys, the leader in vulnerability management. You can now bring your own Qualys license and use it within the existing OCI scanning service. Our OCI scanning service will manage the installation and configuration of the Qualys agents across your OCI environment. This is a nice way to reduce complexity and to centralize your security alerts, including Qualys alerts, into one dashboard using CloudGuard. And the second news is related to Azure and MySQL Heatwave. As promised, we're excited to announce that MySQL Heatwave database that combines transaction processing, analytics, and machine learning is now directly available in Azure. So if you're an Azure customer, give it a try.
Our last topic this month is a brand new reference architecture for building a CI/CD pipeline using OCI DevOps, allowing you to simplify your software delivery lifecycle. This architecture builds a Java application on OCI instances and exposes it through a load balancer. You'll see in the architecture that the DevOps service organizes your resources into projects, and these projects consist of a few different components: a private Git repository hosted by the DevOps service, build and deployment pipelines with stages that you can define and customize, and an artifact repository that contains text files, binaries, and deployment manifests that can be used to deploy your environment. Additionally, OCI logging, notifications, monitoring, and IAM allow you to manage and secure your CI/CD pipeline. There are lots more details in the link in the description. These reference architectures are a great resource if you're interested in some of our favorite OCI use cases, and most architectures can be deployed automatically right from the reference architecture page, so make sure to take a look. That's it for December. Thanks for following along this year as we brought you everything new in OCI. See you next year.